Greetings and salutations, y'all. On this episode of Cash and Card Leather Company, we are going to be making a two-tone trifold wallet. I am very stoked about this wallet. I've never made a tritone before, so a tritone, a two-tone, a trifold. I like the trifold. I usually carry that one piece number 88, but I've been liking the trifold. I've been carrying it a lot lately. So here I am just clicking it out, and you can see it from a different angle now here. Fancy editing tricks over here. It's almost like I'm a professional. So yeah, you can see the leather cut out. This is some leather from the from Tannery Row in Chicago. It's Horween. I don't remember exactly what classification it is, but it is a veg chrome mix, 4 to 5 ounce. Right here, I am actually doing a decorative groove line. I really like these groove lines. Typically, you would use the groover to groove a line to then chisel and sew when you're hand sewing. So I still do that when I'm hand sewing, but I will be machine sewing this. And I like doing the groove line just for decoration because I found that when you have a project that just has blank edges, it just looks incomplete. So I do grooves on as many edges as I can, basically. And you only do them on the outside. You never do them on the inside, on like the bottom side of leather. Okay, so here I am marking lines to where I will be roughing up the surface of the light brown piece, and I'll be laying down some white glue, some Leathercraft cement, basically. And then I'll just be laying the glue on there and letting it dry and then sticking it on. Here I am just putting a logo. You can see the one sitting on top of the head is the one that'll go on the outside, and this will be on the inside. So you open up the wallet and that'll be front and center, and I think it looks really cool. Yeah, there you go. Nice close up. Good job, Nikola. Okay, so here I've already put the glue on, and now I'm just sticking on these pieces. These are the card pockets. I'm only sewing 2 of the 3 sides of this pocket because it makes it very nice and easy to get the cards in and out of there. Okay, so here I am gluing. Gluing for a trifold is kind of a complex thing because you have to glue the 2 edge pockets first and then glue the center and kind of work out from the center of the whole piece because you're going to want 2 kind of bends for the trifold, and this is done like a bifold would be done, where the outside piece is larger than the inside piece so that you have room for the fold, as you can see right there. Okay, so I did some of the edge work off camera just because I've shown that before. Here is personally my favorite step, which is the sewing. I love using these sewing machines. This is the Sailrite Fabricator flatbed sewing machine. I have the basic package. They have a basic and like a deluxe with a maple table and a couple extra tools, I think. So I have just scribed in the stitch line with my wing dividers, which I've shown many times on this channel. And that just helps me make sure that my stitch line is consistent throughout. So that's what I do. And then I do the corners 1 stitch at a time, and I just sort of make sure that the edge of the presser foot, once the edge of the presser foot meets the edge, then it's good. Thank you so much for watching till this point in the video. I just wanted to let you know we are almost to 200 subscribers. We're at, I think, 183 or 187. Thank you so much. The goal is 200. Let's see if we can get it for this video. If you like this video, then leave a like. If you know someone who you think would enjoy this content, then please share this video with them. And subscribe if you haven't already. I think 98% of you aren't subscribed who are watching this video, so hit the subscribe button. It's completely free. You can unsubscribe anytime. Helps the channel out, helps the business out. Saves my soul. All right, now let's get to some sweet, sweet money shots.